If you own a 2017-2020 Honda CR-V, you might have noticed your rear tires wearing out way too fast, sometimes in just 10,000 to 15,000 miles. This isn't just annoying, it's expensive, and can even be dangerous, especially when the inside edge of the tire gets chewed up. The problem is so common that Honda issued a technical service bulletin for it, but many dealerships won't mention it unless you ask. Don't let them blame your driving or just sell you new tires. Be informed, ask about the bulletin, and push for a real fix. By knowing what's really going on, you can save money and keep your CR-V safe. Ever get a special notice from Honda and wonder what it means? That's a technical service bulletin, or TSB, a memo from the manufacturer about a common issue and how to fix it. For example, Honda's TSB A20-081 covers a CR-V tire problem. Always write down the TSB number. Unlike recalls, TSBs aren't about safety, so you might not get notified. It's up to you to mention it at the dealership. Reference the TSB number. It can save you time, money, and frustration. So what's actually causing the problem? It's all about the rear wheel alignment settings from the factory. Honda set the rear wheels with too much negative camber. The tops of the tires tilt inward too much. This causes the inside edge of your rear tires to wear out much faster than the rest. It's not a broken part or a pothole, it's a numbers problem built in from day one. Standard alignments won't fix it if they use the old flawed specs. The TSB provides new alignment numbers that correct the camber, so the tires sit more evenly on the road. This small adjustment makes a huge difference in tire life. Make sure your dealer uses the updated specs from the TSB, not the original ones. That's the only way to truly solve the problem. When you mention TSB A20-081 at the dealership, you're pointing them to Honda's official fix for rear tire wear on your CR-V. The technician should inspect your rear tires, check alignment, and use the updated specs from the bulletin. If your CR-V is under warranty, Honda may cover the alignment and possibly new tires. Always ask for an alignment printout to confirm the work was done right. By following these steps, you'll help your CR-V drive smoothly and prevent premature tire wear. Online forums are full of CR-V owners with the same tire wear problem. Some had great experiences. Mentioning TSB A20-081 got them a quick free fix. Others weren't so lucky. Dealers blamed their driving or did an alignment using the old specs, so the problem came right back. The difference? The successful owners did their homework. They brought the TSB number, printed a copy, and politely insisted on the right repair. Sometimes it took a call to Honda's corporate line to get results. The lesson: be prepared, be persistent, and don't take "that's normal" for an answer. The more you know, the better your chances. Your experience depends on how well you advocate for yourself. Information is your best tool. Here's your action plan to fix the CR-V tire issue for good. First, inspect your rear tires. Look and feel for extra wear on the inside edge. If you see uneven wear, or even if you don't, get your alignment checked. Call your Honda dealer and specifically mention TSB A20-081. Don't just ask for an alignment, ask for the TSB fix. Bring a printout of the bulletin if you can. At the dealership, explain your concern and show them the TSB. Request a four-wheel alignment using the updated specs. After the service, always get the before and after alignment printout. Double-check the rear wheel numbers match the TSB. This is your proof the fix was done right. Stay polite but firm. Don't let them brush you off. That's how you protect your tires and your wallet. So the CR-V tire mystery? Solved. It's a factory alignment issue, not your fault. The fix is documented in TSB A20-081. Use it. Here's the recap. 2017-2020 CR-Vs, rapid inner-rear tire wear caused by too much negative camber. The solution: a four-wheel alignment using the new specs from the TSB. Inspect your tires, call the dealer, reference the TSB, and get the printout. Even if your tires look fine, get the alignment checked to prevent future problems. Don't let anyone tell you it's normal. Fix the root cause. Knowledge is power, and now you're ready to get your CR-V fixed for good. Check the description for deals on parts and tools. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your CR-V story below.